If you're preparing for a move, one of the biggest decisions you'll face is whether to pack everything yourself or hire professional packers. Both options can work well. It really comes down to your budget, your schedule, and how much effort you want to put into the packing part of your move. Hiring professional packers can save you a lot of time and stress. They know how to wrap fragile items, protect furniture, and pack efficiently, so everything is organized and secure. This is a great option if you have a busy schedule, a large home, or belongings that need extra care, like artwork or antiques. Just keep in mind that this service costs more, so you'll want to get a clear quote in advance to know what you're paying for. On the other hand, packing yourself can be more affordable and gives you complete control over how everything is organized. If you start early, gather the right supplies, and label your boxes clearly, packing can go smoothly. It may take more time and effort, but it can help you declutter and decide what you truly want to bring into your new space. Some people choose a mix of both. For example, you can pack everyday items yourself, but hire professionals to handle delicate or heavy items. This can be a good balance between cost and convenience. Whichever option you choose, planning ahead is the key. Think about your schedule, your budget, and how much help you'll realistically need. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit movers.com, and you can also email us at contactus@movers.com or call us at 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.